Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about how Core Java is required in order to understand much better way to create the application using Advanced Java. Before learning Advanced Java, you have to be clear in some concepts. What are those concepts we'll discuss in this video. So when it comes to create an application, okay, so every application requires some basic criteria. What is the basic criteria that every application should follow? The first one is security of the data. Providing security for the data is required for every application. For every application, security should be provided for the data. And the second one is the application should be able to update its features regularly so that the old features will not be affected. Should be feasible to update the features, of application. This is the second criteria for every application. And the third one is we have to provide flexibility to the user to perform the operations in the different ways. For example, we can see in the mobile phone, right? We can make the online payment through different ways. That kind of flexibility in every application is mandatory. And the last one is whenever you create any application, there should be a clear view for the user to utilize all the resources. These are the basic criteria to develop any application. So to develop these criteria, then only we can also easily create application using Advanced Java also. In Core Java, in order to achieve these basic criteria in Core Java, we have to be very clearly in these particular concepts that we are going to discuss right now. So what are those concepts? Object oriented programming. We have to be very clear in the object oriented programming. In that, object oriented programming is providing 4 principles. What are the 4 principles? The first one is encapsulation. Second one is inheritance. The third one is polymorphism. Fourth one is abstraction. With these 4 principles, we can achieve the basic criteria of every application. Encapsulation, which provides the security. Inheritance, it will allow us to add the extra features without affecting the old features. Polymorphism, which provides the flexibility to the user to utilize the resources as they want. And the next one is abstraction, is the feature which allows the user to have a clear view, as well as for the developer also. For every developers, these are the concepts which are mandatory things to develop the application using Advanced Java. But these concepts will be covered in the Core Java itself. Even if you are learning Core Java, you have to be thoroughly in these 4 concepts, and these 4 concepts will decide your skills in Advanced Java also. And the next concepts will be discussing in the next video. Thank you guys.